Here comes a pre-market summary for Tuesday, June 13th. We are dealing with a bit of a flat market to kick things off so far this morning ahead of what is to come at 8:30. If you missed it yesterday, May CPI due at 8:30. Not necessarily what it used to be as far as a market moving event, but we are expecting that data again coming up at 8:30. Here's how things are shaping up right now. 0.07 for the S&P, basically flat here for the Dow. The Nasdaq ticking higher ever so slightly. 0.25% positive otherwise on this board, including oil with a bit of a run up this morning. 1.6 right now. 1.2 for Bitcoin, Ethereum back in positive territory as well. All about this coming up again at 8:30. 4.1 expected. 4.1% expected on the year-over-year number, with a 0.1% month-over-month uptick included in that. So we'll see what happens when that does come out. Core set to come through at 5.2% on the year-over-year number. So that will be the big release of the day. Overall, the market back to the upside yesterday in a big way for both the S&P and the Nasdaq. When all was said and done, we basically closed out the session at session highs. AMD event coming up today. We'll hear about some new chips, apparently, as far as AI production is concerned for AMD, stepping into NVIDIA's arena. We'll talk about that. 1 p.m. Eastern, that event kicks off. It's a live stream as well. So we'll see if we can't get some audio maybe. Apple on a downgrade today, rare downgrade from UBS on Apple shares to neutral. They did increase their price target, though, so one of those kind of confusing notes this morning for Apple from UBS. SOFI back to the upside, trying to make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days in a row positive for SOFI. Just an absolute monster move, as we've been talking about. More positive analyst talk this morning on SOFI. ORCL with earnings after the close yesterday. Nice gap to the upside. We'll touch on NVIDIA. Really interesting story. They've teamed up with this Hexagon company, and they're making these text-to-speech real-life avatars. So essentially, you can make a human, type in what you want it to say, and it'll say it. Just a crazy world that we're living in right now. Little one, First Wave Bio to the upside this morning on a positive trial for a pancreatic disorder drug that they're working on. So FWBI on a big move this morning as well. Grab that watch list, guys. QR code, bottom right corner right now, gets you there. It's free. Why not? We'll see you at 8:30 for CPI on TraderTV.Live.